Hey there guys, and welcome back to our channel where I show you how to use AI effectively. In today's video, we're going to take a look at how to create all those motivational viral shorts and reels that we see on Instagram and YouTube today. Let's see how those videos are made with the power of AI. Chatgpt. This is the place where we can get those motivational quotes that would help our videos inspire many. You may have to experiment with several prompts that may work before you get the quote that would stir the emotions of the audience. Let's try this. Give me 20 quotes about life, love, getting successful, or achieving greatness. Make them easy to understand and write them in plain English. However, this could make your quotes and reels too short, so you may add this other prompt to make sure that you have the perfect shots for this niche. Now add a second part to every quote, and again make them easy to understand and write them in simple English. This would enable ChatGPT to add some more content to your quotes. You can continue asking for more content until you personally feel that the video is good enough. Just so you know, however, a video with 3 lines should create a 15 to 20 second long video, and that should be enough for this kind of niche. Fliki. Next up, we turn our attention to perhaps the most important part of our motivational video, the video voiceover. But first, we need to work on the footage, and that's where Fliki comes in. To use Fliki, the first thing you gotta do is to set up a new account. Once this is done, create a new file, then copy some of the quotes that you made in ChatGPT so that you can use it to create your voiceover. Once you paste these quotes to Fliki, this would place the quote into one scene. After this, click on the image icon so that you can search for and select the image icon. Clicking on this allows you to find a piece of footage for your short or reel. Although this may be enough for some, others may want to make the video more engaging by adding more content to the footage, thereby making the viewers watch the video for a longer period of time. For this to happen, add another scene by clicking the plus icon. However, this footage isn't just added arbitrarily, so you may want to skim through your ChatGPT generated quotes so that you can find the best place to place this new scene. You may need to continue with these steps so that you can cut up the quotes, which would create the perfect amount of scenes you may want for your video. As you search for your footage, you must remember that it doesn't really matter what sort of image is used. Take a look at this video from a channel in this niche. Nothing really specific or in sync, right? The only thing that matters is the actual quality of the video. If they could even be somewhat cinematic, that will be perfect for your motivational reels. As such, you can select your footage by simply searching for cinematic videos before picking them at random for your video. Slip in some slow motion videos as well, some guys riding a bike, a man running on a railroad track. Perhaps a little bit of nature before finishing with a man standing in his car with flair, and you have your motivational footage. Awesome, right? After this, head to settings so that you can change the aspect ratio from square to portrait so that you can complete the work on the footage before saving it. Feel free to hide the subtitles by deselecting the subtitles. Following this, select Apply to similar layers before turning your attention to the most important aspect of the video, the voiceover. To start with, change the voiceover's voice from Sarah, a woman's voice, to Gavin. Apply his name to all the voiceovers by selecting the Apply this voice to all voiceovers option before setting the gap between the scenes to 0.2 seconds so that the pauses in between the scenes would last longer. Finally, you have to make the last scene of the scene last longer because of the music that will be added. Do this by making the duration of that last scene last up to 4 seconds. Once this is done, download it so that we can add the music. Finally, we have a few options when it comes to adding background music to this video. Instagram and YouTube allows you to use their copyrighted music, so this is enough for your video. To avoid copyright strikes, it may be best to use royalty-free music. You can get that by searching on Google. One can then use CapCut to merge the footage and music together. Import the footage on CapCut and make sure your music is perfect for the job. Make sure you listen out for the drop or the climax of the song. Set the video in a way where you can set the video on the timing bar. Place the ending of the sound wave of the speech on the drop of the music so that the drop of the music starts when the speech ends. Then delete the rest of the music and drag the start of the song to the beginning of the video before managing the volume of the song. Finally, you can color grade the video to give it a dark look so that you can complete the aesthetic of your motivational video. Following this, transcribe the speech and adjust it so that it can appear on the middle of the screen. Finally, change the font and add a shadowy effect to make it more visible on the screen, perhaps Arno Pro. Then add the shadow effect by selecting Shadow. Voila! You have the perfect motivational video for use. And with that, this video has come to an end. Please let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe for more interesting tutorials. Until next time, bye!